Hello, Honors Chemistry, and welcome to Chemistry and Health. So, Chapter 7, this is at the back end of 7.8, where it just gives you, some life things you should know, right? So, these are kind of old pictures of some of these medications, right? But they all serve the same purpose, right? All of these are known as antacids, right? Which means that depending on how you and your family, medicate at home in terms of over-the-counter stuff, right? Antacids are something that you would take for immediate relief of things like heartburn or indigestion, things like that, right? And all of those things trace back to the amount of acid in your stomach, right? Heartburn is what? Right, that bubbling up of stomach acid, to the bottom part of your esophagus, which then causes a burning sensation, right? And so really the way to help those problems is to neutralize, right? Because that's really what we're doing, right? We are neutralizing our acid, yes? Because our stomachs are chock full of, right, hydrochloric acid, right? Our stomachs are chock full of hydrochloric acid, among other things, right? But hydrochloric acid provides I guess it's a second level of breaking down, right? Because you got your saliva, right? And then you got the hydrochloric acid that does the breakdown, right? And then we have other things that also assist with breakdown of food, right? But that hydrochloric acid, right, can be neutralized by any of these basic compounds, right? And so if we were, say, to assess which of these would be more effective per mole, right, which of these neutralizes the most amount of acid per mole? Right. Aluminum hydroxide, courtesy of those 3 hydroxides, can neutralize 3, because if we think about what those balanced reactions would look like, right, 3 moles of acid. Calcium carbonate would do 2, right? Magnesium hydroxide would also do 2 if we looked at those balanced reactions, right? Aluminum hydroxide plus HCl, calcium carbonate plus HCl, magnesium hydroxide plus HCl, right? And then for those of you that actually pay attention to the bottles, like, one would think you would, right? For substances like Tums, right, one of their advertising things, right, is that you can also take it as a calcium supplement, right? Since it's got calcium carbonate, which means that as you eat it, right, you are also introducing calcium ions into your system, right? And so, it serves double duty as a calcium supplement in addition to helping you with your indigestion, right? So just life things we should know, right? And note that all of these are for instantaneous relief, right, of too much stomach acid, right? Because they are bases that neutralize the stuff in your stomach. But then there are those other types of medications, right, that I listed in your guys' outlines, right, which are long-term medications where, depending on you or any of your family members, some of those might be on those as like a daily medication that they have to take every single day to help with their stomach pain, right? And those are called proton pump inhibitors, right? Why do they have to take those every day? And those don't even provide instantaneous relief. What are those doing? Right, protons. Protons are these, right? Those hydrogen ions that become a part of our hydrochloric acid makeup, right? And so really what we're doing then is by taking those types of medications, right, we're actually resetting the amount of acid present in our stomach at any given point in time, right? Which is why those are long-term medications that you have to take regularly, and they don't work for instantaneous relief because they're not bases, right? They are substances meant to interact with your body and change the chemistry in your stomach, right? So different kind of medication for a different purpose. All right. Life things you should know. All right. Thank you for listening. Be good and stay tuned for redox, which I think will be the last. Oh, nope. No, I'm wrong. There's still 7:10. All right. Thanks for listening. Be good. I'll see you soon. Bye.